So next, convergence test. So here there are some tests using which we can check whether a series converges or not. Okay, so first of all, we can see some theorems. If limit k tends to infinity uk is not equal to 0, then the series sigma uk diverges. So if the kth term as k tends to infinity is not equal, non-zero, then the series is clearly divergent. And if it is 0, then the series either converges or diverges. We can't say whether it is convergent or divergent. But if it is convergent, if a series is convergent, then limit k tends to infinity uk is 0. So if a series is convergent, then limit k tends to infinity uk is 0. If it is non-zero, then the series divergent. If it is 0, limit is 0, then the series may converge or diverge. Okay. So that's the first theorem. For example, sigma k from 1 to infinity k by k plus 1. K by k plus 1. So k by k plus 1, if we expand this, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4, etc. K by k plus 1. If k is 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, etc. And what is the limit value? Limit is k by k plus 1. We can take k outside from the denominator. K into k common ആയിട്ട് എടുത്താൽ 1 plus 1 by k. K cancel ചെയ്യാം. So it is 1 by 1 plus 1 by infinity is 0. Okay. So it is 1, non-zero. If it is non-zero, the series divergent. Okay. Next is harmonic series. This is an important series, harmonic series. So harmonic series is of the form sigma k from 1 to infinity 1 by k. That is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, etc. So this series is called harmonic series, and we know that this is a divergent series. So this is a non-series, a divergent series is sigma 1 by k. Okay, so harmonic series is divergent. Harmonic series is sigma 1 by k, or it is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus etc. Then P series, what is meant by P series? P series is sigma k from 1 to infinity 1 by k raised to p. K raised to p means either it may be 1 by k, 1 by k square, 1 by k cube, etc. or 1 by root k, k raised to half, k raised to 1 by 3, etc. also. So what about this series, convergent of the series sigma k from 1 to infinity 1 by k raised to p? This series converges if p greater than 1. That means sigma 1 by k square converges, sigma 1 by k cube, 1 by k raised to 4, etc. are all convergent. If it is 2, 3, 4, 2 നേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലായിട്ട് 1 നേക്കാൾ 1.5 ആണെങ്കിലും കൺവേർജൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ 1 നേക്കാൾ 1 ഇല്ല, 1 ഡൈവേർജൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഇഫ് p is between 0 and equal to 1, then the 1 by k raised to p diverges. That means if p is 1, what happens? Sigma 1 by k. 1 by k is a harmonic series and the series is divergent. Okay. So sigma 1 by k raised to p converges for p greater than 1, and if it is between 0 and 1 including 1, then it is divergent. So for example, sigma 1 by k divergent, sigma 1 by root k. Root k means k raised to half. Half is less than 1, so it is divergent. 1 by k square, it is 2, so convergent. 1 by k cube, 3 greater than 1, convergent. 1 by k raised to 4, 4 greater than 1, convergent. Okay. So this is the P series. So using this harmonic series and P series, we can test whether a series convergent or not.